The Sims 4 screen can flicker due to several reasons, with screen tearing being a primary cause. This issue often occurs when there are fast-moving scenes with multiple objects, resulting from the lack of synchronization between the game's frame rate and the monitor's refresh rate. To fix this, launching the game and navigating to the settings to turn on the vertical sync option, setting it to double or triple buffered, can be effective. Another possible cause of the flickering screen is incorrect graphic settings, particularly the edge scroll speed. The edge scrolling feature, which allows the view to be moved by scrolling with the mouse pointer at the screen edge, requires the pointer to be at the correct speed. Adjusting this setting can be done by accessing a specific file, where the edge control speed can be accelerated or decelerated, thus resolving the issue.